Okay, are you ready to have your mind blown away? Well, this latest update from the Power BI Core Visuals team is unflippin' believable. This is really gonna knock you out of the stratosphere, and it's gonna change the way we think about data visuals from here on out. All right. Don't forget to do all the YouTube stuff, like, share, subscribe, all that good stuff, right? Really helps out. And if you want early access to content, make sure you become a member for as little as $5 a month. You can get early access to all of my great stuff. All right. So check it out here. This is the new core visuals vision board, i.e., where are the visuals going to be? Like what is coming to the Power BI estate, and appropriately, all of this is done inside inside Power BI. So this new link, and the link is down below. This is a Power BI report, right? I am actively inside Power BI. This is a URL. This is what we're going to be looking at. This has got a whole bunch of, like, honestly, it's got a whole bunch of best practices in it. So we've got a clearly defined navigation pane on the side that allows us to see, like, okay, all of the items are coming. So we've got call out visuals, all the different types. We could see the epics that are associated with each type. We've got like the status updates, like we can actually see like visual cues as to where it's at. And we've got like videos that can like walk, you can see where the progress is, as well as like where to go to vote something up if you want this done early. So let's take a look at this. Like, so this is a best practice guide in practice, in use in Power BI. So we should learn a lot from this. Hopefully, fingers crossed, they'll release the PBX file for this, because this is unbelievable. First off, let's talk about the card visual and the new card visual. Now, this is something that the team has already completed. This is out, and you can actually go and you can actually look at all of the feature lists that are part of it, as well as, oh, check this out. There are learn articles that go with how to use each one of those component. That is flipping fantastic. And oh, there's fabric ideas here too. Holy cow, look. So you can actually see all of the ideas that were built in and added into this. So you can actually like go and look, like, where did this get voted? How did it get done? How did it get completed? It's all built upon like our feedback. So we can actually see, like, on the new card visual, here's the visual and here are the components of it. Oh, that's awesome. Now we've got a new feature here. It's called reference labels. Oh, look at this. This is done and this is complete as well. So we can clearly see that, hey, we got the new card, we got labels, and we got reference labels. That's completed. We've got a nice example of it. We could see the fabric ideas that were built on it. If I hone in, holy cow, I can see like all the different items were completed, as well as the learn articles that go along with it. Holy cow, is this awesome? Like, that is fantastic. We've got small multiples on cards. Oh, look at this. So small multiples on cards. This is still under development, and we could see that it's still under development and where to go to upvote it, because they've got all sorts of feature lists that are out there, some of which have been completed, right? Like, you can use small multiples on card visuals right now, so that's done. But you've got all sorts of things that are still in flight. So support for oh, wait a minute. Let's see here. Advanced heading, style settings, padding, background border. They're still working on that. Advanced text settings for transparency, font, color, alignment, arrangement, small multiples, tiles by Okay. Oh, awesome. Whole bunch of things are still coming here. We look at cards with trend lines. Where are we at on this? Cards with trend lines is still under development. So we could see that it's still under development. Let's see what else we got here. We need to get some votes out on this one. Look at this. It's only got 208 votes out there. So you need to go click on it to vote it up so we can get that up and running. But look at this. They're currently working on Spark Blind general availability, table and matrix. Okay, so like this, oh, this is a preview feature. Like, you can actually go check this out. That's currently going. We need to work on accessibility, advanced spark lines. All of these things are still pending. So we need to have these things updated and, make sure we're out there voting for this one up. And then this is a big one. Honestly, I think this is more important than almost anything out there, and that's actionable cards. So this is a feature that's still being voted. We need to get votes in on this one. Like, this is a big deal. What this is going to do, let me zoom in so you can see this. You're going to actually be able to like programmatically add in actions from a card. So in other words, like do something like map it through to an object or navigate to a bookmark or URL or something along those lines. Or I think what we're really looking for is like actually call data activator or something like that to actually take more actions. But you can see all of these items are still in flight. That's exciting. All right, so that's the card. That's all of the functionality that's coming to cards. If I look at gauges, holy cow. Look at this. The new gauge visual, it's this is prepped and ready for development. That means like the specs are all in place. We've got this ready. We're ready to begin development on this. It's not yet begun. So a number of things are starting to come together here. So if you're looking for more on gauges, make sure you go out and do this, but it's got like all sorts of new features, advanced radial gauge settings, rotation, multiple gauges, reference label, tooltips, all of that stuff's in flight. We've got linear gauges that they're working on. This is locked. Interesting. Wonder what the heck locked is. I should look that up. That doesn't say here. But you can see all sorts of feature sets that are coming in here. Oh, does that say locked as well? That says available for I bet it's blocked. Locked or blocked. We have to get the gauges done before we go to linear gauge, before we get to multiple targets in place. Oh, that's going to be so nice. We can actually set those multiple targets inside of our cards. Ooh, thresholding. Look at this one. We actually see the different thresholds that we have. So like where did someone is low, standard and high, be able to like clearly demark that. Um, oh my gosh, there's only one vote for it. Holy cow. I guess we got some work to do here. And then small multiples on top of those. Oh, that makes good sense. That's going to be fantastic. Holy cow. I mean, there's just so much in here. If we go on to Cartesians, we can look at enhanced data labeling. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Would be so nice to be able to do just like right out of the box. Oh, it's completed. It is there. All right, so we got that. What do we got? Improved time series. This is awesome. Oh, improving labels is what we're working in on. So if I go up and I look at this, it's available for development, so they can get started on this anytime. The big thing is going to be getting enough votes on this because we only have 147 votes, but we got a whole bunch of features that go along with it. And gosh, those labels sure would be nice to have in our bar charts, huh? Make it easy to see who's doing what and clearly highlight tops and bottoms. Oh, look at that. Oh, would that be so beautiful? Look at that. How wonderful, huh? Dynamic labels. This is locked. Apparently, I bet it has to be based on settings. Oh, please note. Look at this. There's a warning down here. The core vision board is a dynamic and evolving tool. The content is subject to change as we continuously evolve and strive. Okay, yeah. So none of this is like locked in, committed, but like this is what's on the roadmap, and these are the things that we're working on getting votes in place for. So let's make sure we're voting this stuff out, right? Holy cow! Visual callouts. This is a big one. So we can actually like really hone in on what the top values are, make it really accessible. That's fantastic. Fantastic. Ooh, look at this. Advanced primary access. Okay, so this has needs some functionality. This has got tons of votes that are out on it. A whole bunch of features, functionality out there. Advanced secondary access. Ooh, that would be cool too. But I bet you gotta get the primary done first. Zero lines. Uh, I don't see why you couldn't just do a zero line. Don't we have that? That's interesting. Oh, I see what it is. a zero line with automatically like we color one half one side and another half the other. That makes a ton of sense. I mean, I know there's some like conditional formatting out there that allows for that, but it's hard to do, and this will be much better. Ooh, look at this, better zooming experiences. Gosh darn, look at all this stuff. I mean, this is just absolutely fantastic. Now, the great thing is you're gonna be like, go through this video in the future and be like, oh, hey, there's 83 votes when Chris went through this, and now Better Zoom Experiences has 7,000 or whatever, right? Ooh, a better play access. That'd be cool. I don't know if you've used play with some of these visuals, but it's really kind of a great way to see how things move and shape over time. That's fantastic. Legends, oh, improved series. So that's locked. We've got other buckets in Legends. Oh, that'd be interesting. Be able to like drill in and see the items or other. Oh, that would be super cool. So that you could have your biggest ones out, but then your others fit in there. That would be really helpful. We don't have an interactive legend. I thought we did. Interesting. This one looks like okay. Hey, you can actually interact with it. You could see it more, and it bolds it. That'd be great. A sizing legend? Oh, that's nice. Versus like having to come up with a separate visual to do just that. That's pretty good. Gantt legend. Oh, look at that. That is pretty cool. So you actually see what that color formatting would be along it. I mean, there's just so many amazing things inside of here. Would love to see this. Like, oh, look at this. Plotting style enhancements are under works. I mean, honestly, just paging through this stuff. Ooh, color blend for charts. Oh, come on, blocked. Gradient. This is like I've seen some of this stuff in place, so I'm surprised it's blocked, but oh, this would be fantastic. Oh, look at these capabilities here. Right? Be able to like categorize this like, okay, hey, this is what we've had already delivered. This is the future state that we're projecting. Oh, this is amazing. And then some like kind of things, scroll bars and pagination, small multiples. Interesting. Extended analytic functions to fix inconsistencies in analytic settings. Oh, I think I know who asked for that one. I don't know about this one. Animations. Oh, we need some sort of like animation loading functionality. Okay, that'd be pretty cool. Parts of the whole. I mean, holy cow, just look at all of these things. It's all inside of a Power BI report. Like this is this is fantastic. Look at what's possible in here. And like notice like we're seeing little things re-render, but we're not seeing like the whole page re-render. I think boy, would I like to get my hands on this PBIX file to see how they're doing it because I think they're controlling visibility intra page here. And we're going to a new page here. And then going in and looking at oh, unclear. Just so many different things that you can get in here. Like, oh, look at this. Matrix is complete. Custom totals. Okay. Oh, look at that. Custom totals. Like being able to have numbers, stars, and percentages. That's pretty cool. Roam column headers. Okay. Advanced tabular styles. All right. That makes good sense. Oh, there's just so much stuff inside here that would be like, oh, look at that, like tabular interactivity. That's pretty cool. I mean, I know we're just kind of like hanging out. I hope you don't mind like hanging out with me. It's like kind of go through this. Um, it's so impressive to see all of these different things that column visibility. It's cool to kind of run through this stuff. Let me know in the comments below, like, what are your thoughts on the as we're going through these things? Like, what items in here do you think makes most sense or not? Like, holy cow, with this makes so much sense. Freeze pane, freeze pane, freeze. All right, freeze. Holy cow. Filters and slicers. The new button slicer's out. That's awesome. The list slicer. Ooh, that'd be great under development. A text slicer. A text slicer is loud. Oh, yep. We do have some text slicers out there that is in place, but there's more features coming. Awesome to see that. Oh, an advanced calendar slicer. We have needed this for so long. Please, please, please bring this forward. A numeric slicer. Holy crap, would this be great? I do not like a lot of our slicer functionality right now. Oh, look at this. Grouping filters this is for filter paint. List filters. Oh, I like that. Text filters, calendar filters. I bet all of these are blocked by like the actual slicer working, and then we can put that in. Yeah, this is cool. Styles. Ooh, full support for all controls. Uh, yeah, get conditional formatting in. That would be spot on. This could change everything, right? That means you could create a DAX measure for any of these values, anything, in order to get that up and running. That would be awesome. Legends and tooltips. Apply filters automatically. Holy cow, would that be awesome? Advanced string functionalities. Okay. Advanced strings. Oh, okay. Greater than or equal to. Okay, that'd be cool. A new interface altogether. Ooh. All right, I'm down with it. A new customized theme dialog. Color assignment for categories. Oh, would this be fantastic? Custom styles. All office font support. Oh, come on. This is a big one. We've been using the same stupid fonts since the beginning. Boy, would I like us to see us have more fonts. Like it's in Office, just use those, right? Like like come on, get this one out there. Like it's available for development. Let's vote this one up. That should be so easy. All right, tooltips. Oh, cool. Okay, auto tooltip scale. Okay, that's cool. Uh, Tooltip values control. Oh, okay. So you can drill up, drill down from within there. That'd be nice. Combining tooltip types. Oh, look at that. That'd be kind of neat. Responsive tooltips. I really, uh, I really would like to see some more interaction on tooltips. I love it if we could actually like put one of those like card visuals that had an action on it on a pop-up that we customized so we could interact with. That would be huge. Filter capabilities. Okay. Interesting. Sync filters and slicers. Oh, an update to that is long coming. That's not super clear. A lot of people don't understand that. Filter section behaviors, visual filter headers, a breadcrumb. Oh, would that be so nice? Um, in a clear, concise way to be able to show that. That'd be fantastic. Ooh, look at this. We got some locked things over here. Drill mode and drill through. That's locked. We can't even click on it. And sorting. That means, I'm guessing, that we've got to get other things up above delivered before we can do that. That's awesome. Ooh, what's available in Canvas? Advanced canvas and wallpaper. Okay. More flexible page canvas settings, wallpapers. Customized filter sidebar. Okay. Improved page management. Ooh, that would be nice. Like be able to like stack them up or something. And a more customized navigation pane. That'd be good. Freezing visuals. Yeah, nothing about dynamic canvases yet. That would be nice. Oh, the visual container. Hang on, maybe I'm missing it. Improved visual header. Okay. Well, that's a visual container. I wonder if this applies for reports. I'd love it if we actually had a header on reports so we could put stuff in the header or footer and still have the report be the whole thing. So we could just have the title and or graphics or visuals and stuff, right? Discoverable icon headers. Okay, that'd be great. Visual container enhancements. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Visual footer. Okay. Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah. That's exactly what I'm saying. Like, shouldn't we have a header and a footer? Hopefully, this is on a page so we could just have the whole canvas to work on, but then be able to like customize what our header or footer would be. And then we could actually start doing that dynamic stuff. Personalized visual groupings. Interesting. Interesting. Oh, and new visuals. What are we talking about here? Basic ribbon enhancements. Okay. 100% area charts. Okay. So some of that stuff is new. New waterfall. That would be great. The old waterfall's been kind of around for a while and it's okay, but you know, more work there would be good. Histogram support. Ooh, a nice new stream chart that's like in place would be fantastic. What new visuals? A new funnel? That'd be good. A Gantt chart. Holy cow. Like having a good Gantt chart would be so phenomenal. Box and whiskers. Yeah. Word cloud. I don't know about you guys. Do word clouds resonate with you? Let me know. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. I'm I'm not sure. Ooh, an org chart visual. That'd be kind of cool, especially if you're like showing stuff across sales orgs or whatnot. That could be really helpful. But wow. Um, you know, I'm impressed. Oh, interesting how this. Oh, it remembers where I was at on the last one. I'm pretty impressed with this. I don't know. What do you guys think? You think this is useful? I am blown away by this. Like this looks straight up like a web page or like something that's like a professional design element, and like this is all done in Power BI. So you know, don't tell me these things aren't possible because look at all the amazing UIs that we can interact with. The links to this is down below if I didn't mention that already. But like I'm straight up impressed. I think this is awesome. Want to see more of this, Miguel? We're gonna have to have you and your team on the live stream sometime, or maybe do a recording or whatever. Love to see more about this. This is great stuff. Let me know what you guys think. Um, Thank you guys so much for supporting the channel. If you want to get early access to all this content, become a member. You'll get access to this content as soon as I record it, I post it for members only, and then I schedule up for future release. So you'll get early access to almost all of my content. If that's something you're looking for, it's as little as $5 a month. You had the best day ever. Peace.